Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Unplug the cable and steady it on a clean, well-lit surface so you can see fine wires. Use wire cutters to remove about 1/2 of outer insulation. This exposes the inner conductors that carry data and power. Once exposed, separate and identify the 4 conductors, red, white, green, and the bare shield, so you know which pairs go together. Make sure to note insulation colors, because correct pairing preserves charging speed and data integrity. Miswiring can damage devices. Once you locate the damaged section, strip roughly 2-3 mm of insulation from each conductor so copper is visible. You want clean, undamaged strands. Twist corresponding color-coded wires together tightly, then tin each end with a small amount of solder to create a low-resistance bond. This prevents fraying and improves mechanical strength. Slide heat shrink tubing over each conductor before soldering, and after soldering, shrink it in place to insulate. Doing these steps preserves signal integrity and prevents short circuits. Once all wires are soldered and individually insulated, slide a larger diameter heat shrink over the entire repair and apply heat to create strong strain relief. This prevents future bending stress at the splice. After it cools, plug the cable into a charger and a device to test both charging and data transfer. Verify normal current and recognition. If the device fails, make sure to recheck each solder joint for cold soldering, and use a multimeter to confirm continuity and correct pairing before resealing or.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.